Hello, I'm Daryl Stafford with Catalysis Additive Tooling. I'm standing here with Thomas Betterman of InnoCast, and we're very excited to announce the licensing of our 3D printed tooling technology to Europe. So we're looking forward to collaborating with InnoCast on the many different manufacturing processes using 3D printed tooling. Thermoforming, jigs and fixtures, foam part manufacturing, and composite part manufacturing.
So this year we celebrate with InnoCast 20 years of success in the European market, where we have pioneered 3D printed molds for stainless steel aluminum products, and now we are thrilled to bring the innovation of 3D printed tools to various industries, including thermoforming, form and more, with the extensive expertise of Catalysis Additive Tooling. Wir freuen uns, mit Catalysis an unserer Seite der Kunststoffverarbeitungsindustrie in Europa neue Wettbewerbsvorteile durch 3D-gedruckte Werkzeuge zu bieten. Et pour nos amis français, nous sommes ravis de proposer cette technologie d'outils imprimés en 3D.
Catalysis is a leader in North America for 3D printed tooling. This licensing agreement allows us to grow that position globally. Thomas, I'm really looking forward to working together with your company.
Yeah, super. Let's get started.
All right.
Yeah.